Are you looking to get a great high-paying job in data science and finance? Looking to get an edge in your investment strategies? Well, you've come to the right place. We've made the Python for Finance course just for you. In this course, we will teach you Python, even if you're just a beginner, then go through the fundamentals of data science and end with teaching you how to apply this knowledge to the finance world. We all know the best way to learn a new subject is to learn by doing, and that's exactly what you'll do here. Honing your new Python skills to tackle problems that you'll see on Wall Street, where I've worked for years. We will go through the real-world problems where you can follow along and use the code to actually help you make better investment decisions. In this course, you will learn finance concepts such as portfolio theory, quantifying risk, the proper way to calculate returns, and statistical modeling. You will learn not only how to download and analyze data, but also how to display it in easy-to-read charts and graphs. You will learn these concepts step by step, and we will go through everything in detail so it's easy for you to learn and understand. I've also worked hard to make this course fun and entertaining, unlike other similar courses where you might feel bored or fall asleep even. I've personally taught over 2,000 people in finance and computer programming at accredited universities and in the workplace at large banks, managing their software teams on Wall Street. I've personally hired dozens of people who have started just like you and would love to help you get that dream job that you're looking for and be a highly productive member of the team. I also personally manage a multi-million-dollar investment portfolio and have used these strategies to make great returns without taking on huge risk. If you sign up for this course, I'll make it my personal mission to get you that job or help improve your investment returns. I'm just a few clicks away and will be happy to answer your questions during the learning experience. Every section contains downloadable material and code that you can follow along with. We aim to make this an interactive experience where you can learn by doing so that you really grasp the concepts and master both Python and its application to the finance world. This course is perfect for aspiring data scientists, beginners to programming, people who want to learn both basic and advanced finance topics, and also programmers who want to specialize in the finance or fintech field. It is intended for everyone who wants to learn Python and how to apply these programming skills to the world of finance. So what are you waiting for? Click on the Buy Now button and let's begin this journey together.